species that promote fire and their effects on forest ecosystems. In some forest ecosystems, certain species actually promote fire and can significantly affect the health and balance of the entire system. These species influence both fire behavior and the fire regime, meaning the pattern, frequency, and intensity of fires. Some plant species are naturally flammable due to traits like volatile oils, resins, or fine leaves that ignite quickly. They may also accumulate dry, dead material that increases fuel availability. A well-known example is the eucalyptus tree. Its oil-rich leaves and bark can intensify fires. In ecosystems dominated by such species, fires tend to be more frequent, more intense, and harder to control. There are also species that alter fire regimes by changing the type and arrangement of fuel in the landscape. Invasive grasses, like cheatgrass in the western United States, can spread quickly and cover large areas with fine, highly flammable material. This increases both the likelihood and severity of wildfires, leading to more frequent and widespread fire events. Some fire-adapted species are not just tolerant of fire, they actually depend on it. For instance, certain pine trees have serotinous cones that only open to release seeds when exposed to the heat of a fire. While these species don't cause more fires, their life cycles are closely tied to fire, supporting the development of fire-adapted ecosystems. The presence and dominance of fire-promoting species can have wide-ranging effects on forest ecosystems. They can lead to altered fire regimes, changing how often and how intensely fires occur. This may favor fire-adapted species and shift biodiversity, sometimes at the expense of more vulnerable organisms. Habitat changes are also common, as frequent fires may create more open, sunlit environments, benefiting some species while displacing others. Fires driven by these species can affect soil and water, damaging soil structure, reducing fertility, increasing erosion, and degrading water quality. Carbon storage is also impacted, as more frequent fires reduce the amount of carbon forests can store, contributing to higher atmospheric CO2 levels. These examples highlight the complex relationship between fire and ecosystems. While fire is a natural and sometimes necessary part of forest dynamics, changes in fire regimes, especially those driven by certain species, combined with human activities and climate change, can destabilize ecosystems. Understanding and managing these species is essential for maintaining balance and resilience in forest ecosystems.